natin tong Washington.
It's from Washington.
Apple, the red one, or it's not red, it's purple.
It's golden delicious.
But it's red. They call it red apple. So, ang natikman ko doon dati sa alam mo yun, sa Middle East is hindi ko gusto yun kasi maano siya. Yun magapas, makoton. So, tikman natin kung ano yung lasa dito. Kaya hindi ko gusto yung kulay red apple. Sabi nila, masarap daw.
It's been in the fridge.
It's different from what I eat in Middle East. It's nice. It's good.
Yeah, it's been in the fridge for 3 or 4 days.
Yeah. I think it's already 1 week in the fridge. Or 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah. Still good. Because I don't like, that's why I don't eat, because I don't like the one that I taste in Middle East, because it's cotton, more cotton than
Drier.
yeah, it's different. So this is nicer, this is better. Masarap siya, guys. Iba yung natikman ko dun sa Middle East.
And it's fresher.
Matubig siya. Matubig. Masarap siya, ha. 2 weeks na siya sa ref. Kaya ngayon ko lang siya natikman. 2 weeks? Is it 2 weeks?
Then month.
I think 1 month na to sa ref.
We got it first.
Pero fresh pa siya, guys. What else kung kinain ko to agad, di ba? Sobrang sarap niya, guys. Mas masarap siya sa buong natikman ko na apple. Di ba maganda yung mukha natin? Matamlay pa.
It's even better if it's just fresh from the store.
That's what I explaining to them, that I think it's more nicer if I taste it when it's still fresh. Because it stay, I think, 1 month already in the fridge. Still fresh. Nice. Next time when I come back, I buy this and